Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're gonna go in great detail and talk about the 5 things to improve your financial situation in 2023. Now obviously, with the beginning of the new year, many of us will want to start afresh or improve our lives, whether that means preparing for a job shift, adopting a healthier lifestyle, or enhancing our financial situation. The coming year may bring disruptions to our existing financial strategy in the form of an impending recession. And obviously, guys, planning our money to prevent falling victim, it is crucial. We are aware that while financial advice frequently seems straightforward, it may be difficult to put into practice on a daily basis. So here are some practical and helpful personal financial tips to help you prepare your finances for the coming year. At number 1, know your financial position. Before taking any decisions about your finances, it is imperative that you're informed of your current financial situation. Before the new year, you should evaluate your assets and liabilities in order to fully understand your financial condition at the moment and develop a sound financial plan for the year ahead. While you're at it, guys, gather account statement from your bank accounts, investment portfolios, and make a note of any valuables you may possess, such as a car, house, or other real estate. You should also collect statements for all your liabilities, including any personal loans that you've taken. At number 2, diversify your investments. Risks can be efficiently managed, guys. The stock market can be understood, and wealth can be amassed over time by creating a diversified portfolio. Investments in several asset classes such as equity, bonds, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, or a mix of all 4 reduces the risk of losing money if one product performs poorly. Spreading your risks out, guys, by investing in many asset classes allows you to benefit from the fact that if one performs poorly, another one may still do well, cushioning the blow. Before choosing which asset classes to participate in, do your homework on various investment kinds and the risks and benefits that they carry. At number 3, maintain a budget. Budgeting your expenses is necessary. Each month, you should make a list of all the expenses for which you're accountable. For instance, the amount you anticipate paying for electricity, food, or even rent. You may increase your savings by carefully considering your daily spending. Your budget is a tool that helps you go closer to your goals financially. Choosing which objectives to prioritize while creating your budget is also crucial. Prioritize debt repayments, emergency fund development, and retirement investment by setting aside a sizable amount of your income. Maintaining focus on these objectives will be made easier with the aid of your monthly budget. At number 4, analyze your insurance policies. A plan for emergencies is something you should take into account while thinking about your family's finances. Your financial plan should include life and health insurances, especially if your family relies on your salary to pay bills on a regular basis. You can find affordable life and health insurance alternatives that provide coverage for the entire family. If you haven't bought life and health insurance coverage yet, the time is now. To guarantee simple access to claims, always double check the insurance policy's terms and conditions before buying, guys. And if you already have a life and health insurance, you might think about reviewing them to make sure that they meet all of your financial and medical needs. And at number 5, guys, organize your savings. Choose the most suitable savings account you can in order to make your money truly work for you. Banks offer a variety of savings accounts with varying interest rates, so it pays to sit down carefully, weigh your options to determine which is best for you. Some saving accounts functions much like a regular current account. These types of accounts are likely to have a much lower interest yield. You might choose a saving account where your funds are essentially locked away for a specific time. This type of account is perfect if you're saving money for the future for larger investments. The sooner you start preparing for what is about to happen, the more assured you will feel. There are several strategies to increase your income and control your spending. Every individual's spending pattern is unique, guys, and therefore every personal financial situation will appear different. Therefore, guys, understanding your core needs and developing a plan accordingly is crucial. As 2022 comes to an end, in which you have to face more than what you deserve financially, you may have lost your jobs, lost your capital due to various lows in the stocks and whatnot. Some mishap may have occurred due to various reasons which are uncontrollable by you, but there are a few things that you should be avoid to protect yourself from enduring, and that is the reason why we always mention to increase your passive income source. You must be so busy earning income by participating actively in the process that you have forgotten that you cannot always work for money. You can make money for yourself as well, and obviously that is the reason you should focus on creating a passive income source. Even more than that, guys, you need to understand that with the not reducing your personal inflation, we are being effective continuously, and not upscaling is one of the reasons why a lot of people are forcing out of jobs. So make sure that you're always looking at new skills and learning new skills, so you're always making sure that you're financially sound. And one of the things that you need to keep in mind before you get into any trouble is understanding that loans against mutual fund is better debt option than personal loans or credit cards. And understanding all these aspects can give you the financial freedom that you always wanted. We live in a world right now where it is crucial for us to understand exactly where we're headed, and it's for that reason we're making all these amazing videos for you guys to ensure that you always have an edge in the market. Understand the strategies that you need to implement, understand the execution of those strategies, and combining all those elements together, you would be able to scale your incomes financially. And keep in mind these 5 amazing tips that we've shared with you, such as organizing your saving, analyzing your insurance policies, and even more, maintaining a budget. And the most important is diversifying your investments and knowing your financial position. And by doing all these 5 elements, you would put yourself in a better position and give your finances a chance to improve over the years. If you have any questions, guys, whatsoever, you can ask us in the comment section below, and we will be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and to assist you. And remember, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so please make sure to do your own due diligence before investing, and never invest more than you're willing to lose. With that said, stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.